Welcome back again to the channel. If you found this video, you're no doubt looking to do an air filter change on your Mk3 or 3.5 Ford Focus. This is a titanium model, so let's get to it. First job, open the passenger door, find your bonnet pull, give it a firm pull, release, walk around to the front of your car, and underneath here you'll see the little yellow lever. We need to move this to this way. That will release the hood. You can raise it, and we need to get this bonnet stay for safety and place it nicely and safely in here. This is our 2-litre engine, the Duratorq, and your air filter is in here. So we need to remove this housing. To remove the airbox, all we're going to do is undo 4 7mm. One here, one here, one here, and there's one hiding down there. Make sure if you have a socket on an extension that the socket's not going to fall off, because if it falls off down there, it could be a bit of a pain to find it and get it back. So let's go ahead now and get these all undone. Okay, so all we need to do now, we've undone those bolts, is give this top part a little bit of a tug, and that will separate from the bottom. It will be quite tough. Don't be afraid, give it a little bit of a tug and it will come away. You may find it easier if you just remove your battery cover. But yeah, give this a little tug, and there we go. That's the housing off. Place it to one side, and there's your air filter. Now this one doesn't look too old, but nonetheless we're going to replace it till we have a new one. So from the back here, just give it a little pull upwards and we can remove it. But yeah, that air filter really doesn't look too old. It's probably been serviced recently, but we do have debris in there, so we're going to get the hoover and give that a good hoover out, clean that out before we put the new air filter in. Let's go get the air filter and make sure it's the same as this one before we attempt to replace it. And here is our new air filter, again made by Blueprint, and this is an ADM 52262. So let's just open this box. Just check to make sure this is an identical part, and it is. And we can see now next to each other that this one's definitely, the new one is much cleaner than that one. So although it looks new, it's definitely showing some signs of wear and use, but they are the same size, same diameter hole at the top, visually looking anyway. So let's go ahead now and get this put back in the car. That now is nice and clean. Let's go ahead and get the air filter in. The reverse process is very simple. This little hole there has to go over the diameter of the air intake to the engine there. So we're just going to place that in there over the top, push it down, make sure it's sitting in its groove, because there is a groove down there at the bottom for that to sit in. See, it's now flush against there at the top. Quick check to make sure there's nothing nasty in there, which there isn't. And then we can just place the top back on. Now, these aftermarket air filters can be a little bit taller than the stock original ones that Ford put in, so sometimes you do have to give this a bit of an extra push down, but that's okay. This one's seated really well, so we'll go ahead now and put these 4 7mm back in, and that completes your air filter change. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so that you can come back and see the channel anytime you like, and if you want to be notified of when we do upload new videos, hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next.